With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question says in triangle ABC, BE and CF are median. M is a point on BE produced such that BE is equals to EM, and N is a point on CF produced such that CF is equals to FN. We have to prove that NAM is a straight line. So first we need to draw the triangle. So I will draw the triangle here. Okay, this is the triangle. Now I will label it as well. So this is A, this is B, this is C. Now it says that BE and CF are medians. Medians means that they divide the angle. So BE will divide the angle B and will bisect the line AC. So that means the point will be somewhere here. So I will just use a different color. So BE is the median. So it will lie somewhere here. This is our point E. And similarly I have F. So F will also lie somewhere here. So now we'll join these two lines and we need to extend them so that we can draw the other 2 points that are M and N that are given to us. So this is one line and this is another one. Okay, now these two are the lines. Now it is said that BE, M is a point on BE produced. So M is a point on BE produced as that. So this is the point M. And it is said that BE is equals to EM and N is a point on CF. So this is CF, this is N, and we need to prove NAM is a straight line. So I will join these 2 points as well. And I will join F and E. Okay, so this is our diagram. Now what we need to prove is that we are given that BE, EM all are equal. So now first of all, take a look at triangle. In triangle, say ABM. ABM, we say ABM. We know if F is the midpoint of AB. So now F is midpoint of AB, and E is midpoint of BM. So what we can say is that according to the midpoint theorem, so using midpoint theorem, we can say that now midpoint theorem states that the line joining the midpoints of the two sides of the triangle is equal to the third side and is equal to half of the third side of the triangle. That means that EF is parallel to AM and EF will be equal to half of AM. This is what is stated by midpoint theorem. So this is for the triangle ABM. Now this will be our equation 1. Now we'll write for equation 2. So now we'll take in consideration in triangle ACN. In triangle ACN, again E is midpoint of AC and F is midpoint of CN, because FN is equals to CN and BE is equals to E, so the E will be midpoint of AC as well as BM, and similarly F will be midpoint of AB as well as CN. So this is midpoint. So again using midpoint theorem, we can say that EF is parallel to AN and EF is equals to half of AN. This is our equation 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, you can see that from equation 1 and equation 2, we see that EF is parallel to AM and EF is also parallel to AN. So we now since these 3 lines will be parallel to each other, so that is AM is parallel to AN, and also you can see that A is a common point. A is a common point on both these lines, AN and AM. So A is a common point. Now this condition that two lines are parallel to each other and have a common point can only be satisfied when they lie on a straight line. When they lie on a straight line, that means when all the 3 points lie on a straight line, that means we can say that NAM is a straight line. Is a straight line because when you see, so if you see, if this AN would have been somewhat up or would have been somewhat down, and since it is parallel to AM, so that cannot happen. That means that A would not be a common point to them. So that means the assumption that NAM is a straight line, and with this we have proved the question. So with this we have answered the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.